Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thank you guys for coming back. Today's video is going to be a pocket letter project share. As you guys have been watching, I've been doing a lot of Pasteloween and I came across this paper kit collection on Etsy. I'll have a link down below. I love the colors. I've just been Googling up a storm trying to find as many pastel collections as I can. If you guys know of any, definitely leave me a comment. I'll search it and definitely try to work with it. But I made these cute little embellishments. I also made a memory decks card that I posted on my Instagram. This is what it looks like. I think it turned out so cute. And you guys, a lot of the times when I do like craft with me videos like I did with these embellishments, when I was making them, I did not add the spider. Later on, I start looking at them and staring at them and I add little bits and pieces. So if when you watch the video, you see that, oh wait, shouldn't have that on the embellishment when she made it, it's because I just stare at the stuff that I make and then I'm like, oh, I want to add this and I want to add that. So that's usually what happens. But this is a little memory decks card. I ended up using my little pumpkin shaker on this card. It's super sturdy. This is the back of the card. I used some of those little spider webs that I had cut out from my Cricut. The little ghosties are also from the paper collection, you guys. I wasn't too keen on the not ephemera, the little die cuts that they had in the shop. So what I ended up doing was fussy cutting out from the actual paper. And then I have the candies and the little ghosts. And that's what the little memory decks card looks like. But you guys, I'm so excited to share with you this pocket letter. I'm trying to do a craft with me as far as pocket letters. But you guys, this one took me about 2.5 hours to make. That's how indecisive I am. So if I do a pocket letter craft with me, it's going to have to be sped up and edited, and that's just something that I don't enjoy doing. So I definitely have to think that through, but I want to share with you what I did make. And you guys, I love it. So cute. This is my pocket letter and I'm going to go over everything that I did. So the first thing I want to show you, I'm going to take it off, is the little tassel that I put on the pocket letter, and this is what it looks like. So I did a bunch of coordinating little ribbon pieces. I love the way everything matches. I had this bow in my stash and I just added some googly eyes to it. On the ring as well is some washi samples, this cute little pink bell, and then I made this little charm that says Hocus Pocus with the little pink beads. And that is my little tassel for my pocket letter. And then you guys, I did the stripe, like the striped black and white washi tape, which is this one. This one is from Scotch. I love this washi tape. It's like one of my favorites. And then I used one of the little AliExpress little, what do you call these? I always lose my train of thought when I'm doing these videos. This is why I can't do live, you guys. One of the little eyelets that are little heart shaped to put my little tassel on. And now we're gonna look at the 3 cards up here. So I did stitch on all the cards. And this is the first card. And I did one of these chipboards from, I think it's Spellbound, Spellcast. The chipboard pieces, the little candies. I did some pink cheesecloth in the back, some little jemmies in black, and one of the little ghosts up here. This is one of the little puffy stickers from Pebbles collection, I think 2 years ago. And I stitched with my neon thread all the way around. So that is my first card. I'll put that one back. And then the second one is kind of like a little cluster of pumpkins. So there are pumpkins on the outside. There's this one that I painted over in pink, and I kind of let it look like distressed, and it has Wink Stella on it as well. The actual card just has the black pumpkin on it. I love decorating outside as well, as you can see on the pocket letters. But this is what the actual card looks like. It has stitching, this little foam glittery pumpkin. I layered on some little kind of spooky, this is from the Hey Pumpkin collection. This little ghosty is also from a Pebbles puffy sticker pack, and then a little gemmy right here. And I just thought it was Super cute to kind of make it look like a little cluster of pumpkins right there. And these little spritz are from another die cut that I had done on my Cricut. And yeah, that is the second card. The third card is this super pretty pink striped paper, and I just did like a little cluster of ghosts. I had these little foam ghosts in my stash, so I layered them on top of each other. This from the collection. I used some pink, kind of like distressed stickers to write the word boo, a little spider sticker in the background, another little puffy sticker from the Pebbles sticker pack, and some enamel dots and a gemmy, and the stitching. You guys, I am so happy with the way it turned out, but it took me a long time. I think I must have watched like 4 or 5 episodes, no, 4, I think 4 episodes of 90210 while I made this pocket letter. That's how long it took me. And the next card, you guys, is this one right here. This is from another sticker pack that I had in my stash. So I just placed that in the center. I put a little puffy bat right there, some word phrases that I showed you guys that I used, an enamel dot right on the house, and some little black jemmies. And the stitching does a difference, you guys. It actually makes the card look more detailed. I love the look. And then my shaker bit in here is not an actual, I didn't stitch on the actual pocket letter. I'm going to show you guys what I did. I used some acetate and made my little shaker like that. And then I just have some black cardstock in the back, just because I was going to leave it like that, but I didn't like it in clear. So I ended up adding some black cardstock. And then I put this cute little bat that I did a bunch of Wink of Stella on, added some googly eyes, and just placed him right in the middle. And I think he looks so cute there. So that's how I made my shaker for my pocket letter, because you can't have a pocket letter without a shaker. And yeah, you guys, that's that one. This is another one of my favorite pockets right here. And this one is also decorated on the outside. It's like a little foamy spider web with one of the little plastic spiders from Dollar Tree that were, I think, the spider rings, but I cut the back off. And then a little flat spider sticker and a little gemmy and some cheesecloth in the back. So that's that pocket. And then we're down to the last 3. Here I just put the foam word Halloween. I put this little house sticker. This is from a sticker pack. I'm not sure what collection it's from, but I just placed the house right here and a little spider web in the back. Cute little googly eye, a little ghost like on the window, 2 little pearlescent gemmies, and then this cute little skeleton. I put him right there, add a little pink bow, and then I put like if he was holding up a sign that says eek. And then the last pocket, you guys, is a little witch hat, and then I made like a little page flag embellishment with a little foamy sticker that said boo. Put the little googly eyes in the 2 little O's, and I think it turned out super cute. This is also decorated on the outside, not the inside. And then a little pom-pom on the witch hat. And yeah, you guys, that is the pocket letter. And I think all together with the little tassel, it comes together so nicely. I am enjoying creating Pasteloween so much, but I hope this gives you guys inspiration, an idea of how to make a pocket letter by showing you guys the pocket letters, the pockets individually. And yeah, check out the description down below for the paper that I used if you want to kind of replicate the, is it replicate? Yeah, replicate the pocket letter that I made. But you guys, these take time, so that's why I do project shares as far as making like, I'm stumbling my words here, making pocket letters, because it does take time. Maybe one day I'll do it and then just film it like in parts or something like that, but we shall see. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Sorry if I sound all over the place, but there's people like in the window and they're distracting me, as you can tell, and by my window. But yeah, let me stop rambling. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Bye. Toodles.